Today I have a big Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. So first up is going to be the household stuff. We've got some 30 count foam trays, 2 of the bath tissues, got a box of 175 count tissues, some of the that's 80 count straws, the longer flex straws, they're neon colors. I got a Lime Away. I also got another pack of the essentials hangers, and you get 7 in here for $1, totally worth $1. And then aluminum foil sheets, 30 in there, very nice deal. I picked up some handle bags, you get 10 in there, great deal, vanilla scented, love these. They don't tear or rip easily and they hold a lot of stuff. I got some of the Good Sense zipper seal freezer storage bags. They used to come with 18 bags actually, and now they have 15 bags. There's some stuff happening at the Dollar Tree that you'll definitely start noticing, like some of their scent boosters were 15 ounces, now they're down to 3 ounces, stuff like that. I picked up a Dawn Gentle Clean in the scent pomegranate and rose water scent. This smells amazing, so I picked up one of those. I got a Sure Scents. They didn't have the Angel Blossom today, so I got lavender. My bathroom's purple anyway, so I like lavender. To go with that, also I picked up another small trash bag. There's 40 in here, and you guessed it, they're purple. And then I always need batteries, so I got 2 AA's and 1 AAA in the Sunbeam batteries. Got the Warheads one, you get 10 in here for $1. Also picked up some of these Lay's Stack Cheddar, and I got a bunch of stuff for the boys to play with. And also not shown here is a emoji hula hoop, and Connor got like some kind of smash ball and some kind of galaxy slime stuff, and a Hey Arnold figure. So we got these water balls, and they had these in a 2-pack. They were bigger, and they had them in the 4-packs. So I got 2 of the 4-packs. Connor already has one of these, but so the boys will each have 2 water guns each. I picked Aiden one up as well. I picked this up for Connor one day. A glow ball. And they both love water balloons, so I got 2 packs of the H2O blasters, and you get 100 count in there, so I picked up 2 of those. Connor liked this little mini squirter here, so we picked that up, and it's holographic camo. How cool is that? I've never seen the bubble blowers there at the Dollar Tree, and so we picked up one of those. And then we also got this splash disc. It was the last one, or I got 2 of them, but I thought that was really neat. It's nice size. And yeah, we're trying to accumulate a ton of summer stuff for the boys, so they should be having a blast. I also picked up a Secret deodorant and some White Rain coconut and hibiscus conditioner. I stated before in another Dollar Tree haul video, sometimes, mostly during the summer, I like to shave my legs with hair conditioner, and yes, it works great. And you can shave them outside of the shower, outside of the bath, just with the conditioner and razor and like a cup of water, basically. It is so quick and easy, great for if you're in a pinch, and no razor burns. I ain't had no nicks or anything. I've been doing this for years, so love it, love it. I needed cotton swabs, meant to get these at Walmart actually, but I just went ahead and picked them up at the Dollar Tree. And then I got some cotton rounds. I got a new hairbrush. I just got the black polka dotted one. My favorite headbands. You see me wear them all the time from Basic Solutions. 3 of them for $1. They last a good month and a half maybe, and they kind of get weak or they might break. So I typically pick these up quite often. More repurchase stuff is the Assured 6-blade razors. Love these. And then the 5-blade Assured razors as well with the green on them. Love, 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 love. I needed to restock on like everything today, if you can't tell. And then kid stuff, I picked up this Excess Styling Gel Sport Hode number 10. 16 ounces of this for $1. Let me know if it works good. I got this for Connor's hair. Connor has a big boy haircut, which is pretty short now. I'm going to insert a picture of him. Plus, he has lost 2 teeth in the span of a month. And one of them, we know what happened to it, and the other one he lost outside somewhere. So, yeah. And then I got a Paw Patrol body wash for Connor as well. I love the scent of this one. I also picked him up a Colgate kids toothpaste as well. I needed that. And then also along the kids stuff, I got some Sesame Street scented flushable toddler wipes, 32 cushiony thick wipes, and I'm just going to put these back in the cabinet. I don't actually really need these right this second because I got a 3-pack of Parent Choice wipes from Walmart, but he likes to use the Parent Choice. I like to use them too on his face and his hands and stuff too. So this is just going to go back in the cabinet for now. And then he loves Secret Life of Pets, and the part 2 is coming out some point. And then I saw these band-aids and I had to grab them for him. They are so cute and adorable. So I picked up those for Connor. And then almost forgot these items in a bag just then. But I got a 3-pack of the bath bombs from Spa Naturals. Now, if you guys ain't noticed, Bolero's products or bath bombs are a lot smaller now. And so when I saw these, I went ahead and picked them up because they are normal, regular size to what they used to be. And they're still the same in comparison to the Boleros. So I went ahead and grabbed those. Connor picked out these party poppers. I got this beautiful butterfly wind chime for outside. That's adorable. These would make great gifts because they look like they're more than $1. Random pack of lighters. And yes, now on to my favorite finds. In the stationery aisle, I found some really awesome finds for kids. Now, these art pads, this is the giant 18-inch by 12-inch art pad, and you get 30 sheets in here. I always repurchase these for Connor. He loves them better than a coloring book and just sit and doodle all day long. And then these Crayola finds are awesome. Connor likes the Minions a lot, and these are just those like little mini pipsqueak kind of markers that Crayolas has, except they have Minions on them. So I got him this pack, and then I also got him this pack, which I know he'll love because he's all about everything Halloween. All the monster stuff he loves. Okay, so I was super impressed with the amount of Bible stuff and Bible stories for children that they have at the Dollar Tree right now. They had a bunch of the Dear God books, and this is My Little Book of Dear God Letters. Do you really see everything? And I thought this was so neat, and I chose this one. They had about 4 or 5 to choose from that were different Dear God with a question, and I just really liked this one. And then they had these really awesome story sticker books of the Bible, and they also had new Bible story books for the kids, Bible story coloring books, even giant coloring books. But I know Connor really loves sticker books, so I got all the ones of all the different stories they had to choose from. And actually, funny enough, that I read Connor the story of David the other day, and he was just loved it. You know, there's a giant in the story. This little boy takes down the giant. And of course, I read a children's version, not a in-depth version of that. But he loved it. And this is the story of David, and it says a big book of stickers, and there's activities, stickers in all of them. Of course, you get a story. So I got David, Moses, Jonah, Miracles of Jesus, and Noah. Now, how amazing are these finds? And each one has over 80 stickers. They have activities, like I said, and stories, and this is neat. And I think this would be great to be like make copies of for a Bible school or Sunday school or anything like that. These are so amazing. Also making copies of coloring book sheets for your Sunday class and stuff too. Really nice stuff at the Dollar Tree in the lines of Bible stories right now. And then candles here. I got 4 new candles. This is a double caramel and gelato. and this one smells amazing. Now, it may be hard to believe, but I do not like caramel in real life, but I love caramel scents. Love caramel scents. And then I got guava coconut in mason jars. These smell really good too. I got pineapple upside down cake, and then I also got the citrus plus sea salt, and they had a ton of new candles to choose from, but I felt these were the really called my name. And this is the first time I ever saw the fans at my Dollar Tree, and I picked up this really beautiful blue and pink and gold kind of design in white. So beautiful, and I thought just to have on my makeup table, I definitely wanted to pick one of those up. They had so many beautiful ones to choose from. I also picked up a random kiss nail glue because I have a broken nail right now, so I'm gonna have to be fixing that. And then I found this really cute sassy and chic cosmetic bag that I found for my purse. It has lipsticks and roses on it, and it's so adorable. And then the rest of these are brand new finds for me. I also picked up the Lusty Olive Oil Detangling Spray, and it says anti-frizz and detangles. You get 12 fluid ounces. This obviously has olive oil in it, it says, and I was really excited to try this. So I thought that I would find and definitely pick up some stuff for some reviews in the beauty aisles, and just luckily I had a good day finding a lot of items to review for you guys. So stay tuned for the olive oil detangling spray review. I also found the Albaline, maybe I butchered that, I'm not sure, but the eye makeup remover. I found this today, was super excited about this. Everyone been hauling it, but I had never found it, so I'm going to be trying this out. I'm not sure if I'll do a review on this unless you want to see this one here. And then I also found these sassy and chic makeup remover cleansing towelettes, 25 in here. This says gently removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. Well, we shall see, because we're going to test these out and do a review. And then last but not least, I found these Daily Defense micellar waters, and I picked them both up. This is for dry and sensitive skin, and this is an all-in-one. It says it soothes and moisturizes, no rinsing, no alcohol, no residue, and they're supposed to gently remove makeup. These are 8 fluid ounces for $1, so I'm definitely bringing a review to you for the micellar waters, believe that. And then I got the all skin types, even sensitive, the all-in-one, no rinsing, no alcohol, no residue, cleanses and hydrates and gently removes makeups and impurities, and also 8 fluid ounces. So I picked these two up, and they'll probably be in the same review video, but I have at least 4 items in this haul that I am going to do Dollar Tree reviews on, so definitely stay tuned for all that stuff. And then I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. That was everything that I got. I told you it was going to be a big haul, and then a lengthy one because I like to talk. So don't forget to check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already, and please stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos.